Damn, talking. You want me to go wake him up?
Squirt that spliff over there.
Oh, shit. Is your butter right here?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put it under the...
Mm-hmm. Well, go on, man, like Ralph.
Yo, Crow, you can hear me? Yeah. Yo, you can hear me? So forward, Crow. The fuck?
Priya.
I think I've been talking about. Yo, remember I showed you I fucking invest, man.
Man, like Ralph, what go on, my brother.
So, let's fucking,
Top of the morning.
I showed you I'd invest. I showed you that I would, you know what I mean? Put down, do whatever. So, don't act like you don't know. Don't act like you don't know. Hell no, you don't do shit with no dog, nigga.
My first guard dog breed was a King Corso.
No shit with no dogs.
I wanted to press a Canario, but I ended up with a Corso.
Say all that time you could be getting some money. She knows she's nice, too. Yeah. She's fucking nice. Someone's gonna fucking love her, yeah.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna love that dog, for sure. Wherever you fucking think that. Okay, you see her turn up right there. Your eyes are focused on them right now.
They testing the waters with it. Fuck. What's up, Zion? Man, stay there. Let me get a picture of your frame, G. Boy Zion. Get out of here, boy. Get out of here, boy.
Zion pressing his blood.
You just gotta load the phone.
He's a mirror guy. You know he wants to fucking love too. You know Zion wants to love.
Hello?
That's why he kicks you more than now. If I kick it more, I get more love.
Hello? I'm dealing with sleeps.
First, you don't know that yet. She's fucking excited running at you with her. She looks intimidated when she's ready.
Yeah, I would say there's a difference in the Corsos and the Presas for sure. My Corso, he was mad driving. Not to say the Presas ain't mad driving and shit, but on the back tie, I'd say my Corso is more scary looking. Might even have a picture of this nigga in here. Alright. This is a dog house. This is all the dog shit, dog house shit. The wall of legends over here. So where Milo at? Got my Corso right there. Used to be here with this staff pity and shit. Mixed with the rowdy and all that. These are the legends. That's Zeus. I mean, that's Xeno. Yeah. Yeah, my homie Wiz, he been around the dogs. That's Milo again right there with Xeno. And I think this is Zeus when he was younger and shit. Yeah, this is all the past, man. Most of these guys, unfortunately, are gone. Zeus passed away last year. Like 14 and shit. The Xena and Baka got put down in a situation they got in. That's when Milo was around also. I mean, Milo had a heat stroke. All types of shit, man. So my first dog was a Corso, and I didn't have papers for this guy, but he was mad fire. I would not be surprised if he had boxer influence in him, but he was huge, bro. He was huge. This is him, like, probably, like, I want to say 10 months, something like that. And it's the dog house. It's the dog house. Get up out of here. What's up, Pri? What's up, Pri?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll grab it. It's all good. You have a light on you? Dash it. For sure. Everyone tired. That's what we like. What time is it? 10:19. It's gonna be a good day. Respect, Bill. You ain't wanna leave Daddy alone? Just chilling.
You want Brighton, Priya? Yeah, man. Get yourself a drink. She's plotting the whole time. I know there's something out of the house. I ain't laughing. She's not laughing.
What's up, girl? What's up? Yeah, I would have been looking for that dog. Alright, y'all. Respect for tapping in. I'm gonna finish my joint. Go take care of some other dog shit. But right here we got Zion.
Yeah.
Know what I mean? Zion is a Fila Brasiliero mixed with a Dogo. I believe the FBR line has his brother.
Yeah, man. Ready to make the move when you're ready.
Over here we got OSHON.
No, it's the headphones. Maybe
Zion like 2 years old, by the way, something like that. OSHON, she 1 year old. She is a Pyrenees mountain dog mixed with fucking what was it? Pyrenees mountain dog mixed with a St.Bernard. Yeah. She about a year old. Due for a shave and all that. Yeah, that's a good shot right there. Shit, let me get that.
You know how I get down already.
Bet. Let me get one of you too, boy. Yeah, Priya, fuck it up. Bet. Hey, you. Bruh. Can I say? There we go. This is Priya. Yours truly. Hey. Tanasi. Shh. Let me get her in the sun, actually. Oh, shit. Listen. Hey. Tanasi. Tanasi. Come on, no shot. Fuck off. Bruh. Turn on, good girl. Shh. Turn on, sir. Shh. Good girl. Finna stay still. Priya. Sure. Legit. Hey. Nothing. Alright, let's do it like this. I think this side is better, bruh. Hey. Nothing. Yeah. Free. Yeah, she be moving all around, man. She moving all over the place, bro. All over the place, man. We want to stop this video so fucking get a shot of you, but yeah, we out here. Enough love, yeah?